SUVs have become the ultimate go-to for families looking for a perfect blend of space, safety, and versatility. But in 2025, the market is flooded with options, making it harder than ever to choose the right one. So today, we're cutting through the noise and bringing you the top 5 SUVs for families, focusing on brand new and upcoming models that promise to redefine the driving experience. Whether it's for school runs, road trips, or everyday commuting, these SUVs offer something unique. Let's dive in. Number 5. 2025 Hyundai Palisade. The reliable all-rounder. Hyundai has truly refined the Palisade over the years, and the 2025 model raises the bar even higher. This 3-row SUV is perfect for families who need space, comfort, and cutting-edge tech without breaking the bank. The Palisade sports a 3.8L V6 engine, churning out 291 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. It's not a performance SUV, but for a daily family hauler, it delivers a smooth and refined drive, perfect for long road trips or city traffic. The Palisade comes loaded with a 12.3-inch digital cluster, a wide 14.5-inch touchscreen, and Hyundai's latest SmartSense safety suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot collision avoidance. The premium feel cabin features quilted leather seats, a massive cargo area, and seating for up to 8 passengers. With power folding third-row seats and an available rear seat entertainment system, kids and adults alike will enjoy every ride. With an expected price tag starting at $42,000, the Palisade continues to be one of the best value-packed family SUVs out there. Number 4. 2025 Honda Pilot. The practical pick. The Honda Pilot has always been a favorite among families, and the redesigned 2025 version is no exception. With its strong V6 engine, refined interior, and class-leading cargo space, it's the perfect blend of reliability and usability. Featuring a 3.5L V6 engine with 285 horsepower, the Pilot offers enough power for a spirited drive while maintaining solid fuel efficiency for a 3-row SUV. Honda has equipped the Pilot with Google built-in, a 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster, and a Bose premium audio system for the touring and elite trims. The Honda Sensing Safety Suite has been upgraded with improved pedestrian detection and traffic jam assist. The Pilot offers seating for 8, best-in-class cargo space, and a clever removable second-row middle seat, allowing easy access to the third row. Starting at $40,500, the 2025 Honda Pilot offers exceptional practicality without unnecessary frills. Number 3. 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander. The spacious innovator. If space is your number one priority, the Toyota Grand Highlander might be the ultimate choice. Bigger than the standard Highlander, this SUV delivers extra comfort and practicality for larger families. It offers a choice between a 265 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder or a more fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain producing 243 horsepower. There's even a 362 horsepower hybrid max version for those who want extra punch. The Grand Highlander features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Toyota's new SafetySense 3.0 suite, and an intelligent traffic monitoring system for enhanced driver assistance. The best-in-class third row means no more cramming adults into the back. Plus, the 98 cubic feet of max cargo space is a game-changer for long trips. Expected to start at $45,000, the Grand Highlander justifies its price with premium practicality and hybrid efficiency. Number 2. 2025 Kia EV9. The electric pioneer. Electric SUVs are becoming the future, and the Kia EV9 proves that family-friendly EVs are here to stay. With a futuristic design, long-range capability, and advanced tech, it's an exciting new option for eco-conscious families. The EV9 offers dual-motor AWD producing 379 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The range, up to 300 miles on a full charge, making it one of the most practical long-range electric SUVs. Inside, expect a full digital dashboard, Kia's latest AI-assisted infotainment system, and an ultra-fast 800V charging system capable of adding 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Seating for 6 or 7 passengers, with a third row that's actually usable. Plus, its boxy yet aerodynamic shape maximizes interior room while keeping it stylish. Starting around $55,000, the EV9 is a premium yet attainable electric SUV that's built for the future. Number 1. 2025 Volvo EX90, the ultimate family SUV. If safety, luxury, and innovation matter most, the 2025 Volvo EX90 is hands down the best choice for families. As Volvo's latest electric flagship, it redefines what a premium family SUV should be. Dual electric motors produce 496 horsepower, offering a scorching fast yet smooth ride. The 300-plus mile range ensures it can handle long drives with ease. Volvo's next-gen LiDAR-based safety system, Google-powered infotainment, and high-end Bowers & Wilkins sound system make it the most technologically advanced SUV on this list. It's minimalist yet elegant, with a spacious 3-row layout and ultra-premium materials. Perfect for those who want an eco-friendly yet luxurious family hauler. At around $80,000, the EX90 is a serious investment but offers unmatched safety, tech, and luxury. So, which of these top-tier SUVs is best for your family? If you're looking for the best overall value, the Hyundai Palisade or Honda Pilot should be at the top of your list. Need extra space? The Toyota Grand Highlander delivers. If you want to go electric, the Kia EV9 is a standout choice. But if luxury and innovation are your priorities, the Volvo EX90 is simply unbeatable. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.